G'day, this is John from John's MRE coming to you today with IMP menu 17 from a 2019. It's an Indian chicken. Bet you that's spicy, and I hope so because I love me some spice. As you see, it's in a brown paper bag. Again, on the back here, like us and use the QR code. If you, I guess, they would scan that, and then they can go directly into their database, I guess, and say on whether they like it or not. And yeah, so anyways, it's just pretty much Canadian IMP, and it says military ration, not for resale. So anyways, let's open her up and see what we have inside. As the Canadian rations go, they don't come with a flameless ration heater, so I have my own here to go with it. Now, I'm hoping very much so that a lot of times they have Kit Kats in these rations, and I kind of hope they do, because I scored me a Kit Kat cookie crumbles. So if it's got original one in there, I'm taking it out and I'm going to use this one. Regardless, I'm going to use this one anyways. Just so, yeah. All right, let's open it up and get to all the good stuff. So here we go. Oh, they don't have a Kit Kat. Oh well. So, all right, I'm just going to put it on the side here, and we're going to open it up and we'll just dish it out. All right, so instead, we have a Coffee Crisp. So I'm going to save that one because I like Coffee Crisp. I'm really going to get into that other Kit Kat. So I'm going to put that one in my fridge. All right, what do we got here? Espresso roast coffee. Espresso. Love me some espressos. Of course, matches, white tip, nothing fancy. They got a lot of stuff up here at the front. Oh, your little compression tab. You add water, it expands. Little compression napkin. Cool. What do we got here? Oh, raspberry jam. Good. I've been hankering for some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Woot. So, all right, what do we got here? Oh, we got coffee creamer for my espresso. Nice. And what else we got here? Tabasco sauce. Good. I like things spicy. All right. What else we got in here? Oh, our little pack of Tic Tacs. I keep them for the grandkids. All right, drink. Oh, we got a lemon lime sports drink. Okay, I haven't had that one, so I'm really looking forward for some grape. I know certain people just love grape, and I'm kind of hoping to have some, but hey, All right, you get 2 of these. Now, each packet takes 250 milliliters of water. So in a 500 milliliter water bottle, you would take both of them. But I only do one, and I'm going to be honest, I mix it to what I kind of like. Sometimes it's more and sometimes it's less, but that's just my personal. And what do we got here? Peanut butter. Peanut butter and jelly time. Peanut butter and jelly time. Yep, there we go. Peanut butter and jam. Nice. Oh, the old beverage bag. nice. I don't use those. I keep them. For when I'm hiking, I like to keep these beverage bags, because I carry stuff in that I don't want to get wet, like my phone and certain other items, because heck, you're hiking, you don't know, you might fall and get water or it rains or whatever, so these protect it really well. So yeah, I like using that for that. All right, what else we got going here? Oh, some tortillas. Oh, you know what? I haven't had that. So this was on the 334th day of 2018. So pretty close to the end of the year. Yeah, so that'd be all right. What do we got going on here? Chocolate drink mix. Ooh, we're gonna have some chocolate with our spicy stuff. All right, so then of course we got our spork. Gotta love that thing. I love that spork. And our napkin, of course. What is going to be on dessert today? Our dessert is fruit cocktail. I like fruit cocktail, so that's going to be a good one. And this should be last but not least. Yep, empty bag, guys. Last but not least, we have our Indian chicken. God, I'm looking forward to that. All right. So this was done on the 33rd day of 2019. So it's 2022, so it's not that old. All right, so that's what we got going on here. Let's mix things up and start cooking and cleaning and doing all that fun stuff. So hang on a sec. Okay, so here we are. We'll get the flameless ration heater going there and get our Indian chicken going. So again, just rip that off there, nice and gentle. And we open her up. And now we'll get our chicken. I really do like all the MREs, because there's such a wide selection and variety of different stuff. It's just amazing on all the stuff you can get. So look at this baby, eh? Heating instructions. Pouch and boiling water. Well, I'm not going to do that today because we have a flameless ration heater. And we're going to stick it in there. And so let's get it in there. Now, if you notice, what I did was I folded the sides up, because sometimes they're just so dang tight, and I didn't want to do that. So, all right, let's add the water, and as soon as I find where I put the water, silly me. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, let's do this. Let's do this. Can't tell. Oh, needs a tad more. There, I think we got her. So we'll just work that, just going to work it in there and get it all saturated with water and get it starting. All right, so some of you guys like to stick it back in the box, and some, like me, like to just put the clip on it. So yeah, we're just gonna get it going. Hopefully she'll go. So I'm just gonna put it over here, and I'll let you know if it takes off or not. I don't hear it doing anything yet. Sometimes these things are a dud. Oh, there, she's starting to get warm now. Alrighty. Okay. I'm just going to let it do its magic. I'm not going to interfere with it. You know? Sometimes you got to let it do its thing. Okay, so next we have our chocolate drink mix. It says spread bottom of the pouch and add cold water to the line, zip tight, shake vigorously. All right, let's do this. Woo. Oh my God, guys. It's really bubbling away over there. And that heater just took a little bit to get going, and when it did, ooh, it's going good. I love it. So I must say though, I really enjoy doing these. Okay, so I gotta find where the line is. Okay, so where is the line? Okay, the line is right here. So what you do is once you get your line, make a crease so that you can see where it's going to be at. And see, and now I know how much water to add, and it's right about there. That looks to be, I would say, close to about 250 milliliters. These things don't want to close worth their darn though. So we'll just shake vigorously like it says. I just bet you that's gonna just taste so dang good. Oh my God. All right, so we'll just put that off to the side for now. Let's get our cup, and let's get one of our sports drinks. And I got a little bit less than 250, or might have about 250. Well, that's close enough. But like I said, these take 250 per pouch. And if you're doing it in a water bottle, well, actually that's about 300. So let's just see. That's about 250. So let's just stir this baby up. Now, I'm not sure what I should do with the tortillas. I'm going to stick it under there, let it get warmed up a little bit. So, boy, this does smell lemony. That's good, because I love me some lemon. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it smells very... Ooh. Okay. that very does smell like, well, that smells like, tastes very light. This is an empty box. Where's my full box? It's very light on. Okay, hang on. I gotta find something. Sorry about that, guys. I lost my fruit cocktails. I go, where the heck did my box go? Found it. We're good. Okay. You know what I noticed though? On some of my other 2019 IMPs made by Baxter. This is not, I don't think it's a Baxter company. They have it, you know, I think it's made in Montreal, the St. Hyacinthe in Quebec. So, I mean, it is a still Quebec thing, but yeah. All right, so let's get into the fruit cocktail, and we'll just see. Oh, you're not gonna believe this, guys. I made my first faux pas. Oh my God. Okay, I gotta stop this. Well, if it ain't going to go right, at least make it go wrong good. So, this is the fruit cocktail, and I heated that up, and that's my Indian chicken, which is cold. So, I don't think these are going to be any good. Okay, so plan B, against my better judgment, I'm going to put that down. I'm sorry. I just amused myself. It's one of those things where you're like, yeah, read the box before doing anything. So, I'm going to warm this up and try to let that cool down. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Probably not going to taste worth the darn. But anyways, be right back. Alrighty, well, let's open up our fruit cocktail, our hot fruit cocktail. And let's just see. Ooh. See, what I'm hoping for is that it'll come out like a pie filling, taste texture. I don't know. Well, here goes nothing. Let's just check this out. Wow, actually it does. Yeah, wow, that's actually not bad. It's one of those mistakes that turned out pretty good. I actually like that. I'll be honest with you guys. I mean, I don't think I'll put it through the steamer like that again, but I would definitely sort of warm them up, not heat them up, but warm them up. That actually tastes very good. All right, while we're waiting, 24 seconds left, let's get into the tortillas. Tortillas. All right, so I'm going to have one with peanut butter and jelly, and then I'm going to have one with my Italian chicken. So you get 1, 2, you get 2 big guys. I had one time and had 3 of them in it. I was like, oh, awesome. So, all right, peanut butter and jelly. Everybody knows what peanut butter and jelly tastes like. No big surprise. No big surprise there, but everybody knows what peanut butter and jelly tastes like. But for those that don't, you know, we got to do what we got to do. So, let's take one, and we're just gonna massive, do like a massive peanut butter load. Yeah, I'm in my truck again, but it's supper time. I'm sitting here on Maryville Road in Nepean, Ontario, at the customer, waiting until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So I had 12 hours, and I just didn't want regular meal. I wanted this today. So, all right, let's eat this strawberry jam up a little bit. All right, now this looks marvelous, doesn't? Oh my God, look how good that looks. Well, I'm telling you guys that nobody's going to tell me that a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is only for kids. If that's the case, I'm one of the biggest kids going. All right, so there's a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of jam on it. Let's give it a little taste test. That is some good peanut butter and jelly. But really, you can't go wrong with peanut butter and jelly. I know. So let's give it a good taste test on the. It's good. Still like it better on the plain hamburger bun, but not complaining. Be right back. All right, well, let's try some of this Indian chicken on its own. Then we'll try some in the hot sauce on it. Then we'll try some with the oh my God, look at all the chunks of meat. Like, this is freaking amazing. Oh, I'm actually quite impressed. Oh my God. I really enjoy that. I'm one of those guys that I'm not going to sit here and film while I'm eating and all that. I just take samples of everything, and then I'll give you my opinion, and only then will I tell you, and then I finish it off later on. All right, there's my hot sauce. Now, I get it. Some people don't like hot sauce. Some people do. I really enjoy my hot sauce. Okay, let's look. I just can't get over the chunks. There's peas, there's peppers. Oh my God, look at that. Well, for me, that hot sauce makes it work. You know, that lemon lime is not very lemony, not very limey, but it really quenches very nicely. All right, so let's do one of these babies. Up. Look at the chunks of chicken, my God. They're not afraid to put the chicken in here, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's give this a for me, these didn't really do anything more to it other than make a mess. Oh, my wife's gonna kill me. Made a mess. I don't know. The Indian chicken is great just on its own. All right. So one other thing I didn't do is the coffee. So it's definitely a freeze dried. Look at that. So yeah, freeze dried. Notice they don't give you no sugar, but it's supposed to be an espresso. So there's the whitener going in there, and let's get the hot water. So I only got a couple more things to try, guys, and then all right. So it's an espresso, so you don't put a lot of water in here. It's probably more than it needs. I really enjoying that Indian chicken. I know there's a bunch of people going, ooh, yuck. But for me, that is awesome. All right, let's try this espresso. It's really hot. For an espresso, it's kind of weak. I like some, you know, when you cook it or make it, it just makes you stand on your head. Sorry, this is getting all over the place. So good. Well, chocolate drink mix. It smells like a chocolate drink mix. Okay, so I just dumped the chocolate mix into a cup, a very big cup. So that's perfect. Let's try that. Okay, last that we have to try is our Kit Kat. I'm not a big I love chocolate, but for some reason when I eat chocolate, I don't feel well. So a Kit Kat's perfect because there's just that one little bar. That's all I'm going to eat out of that big thing there. That'll probably take me 2 weeks to go through. So, well, look at that, eh? Well, let's give that a go and see. So that's my 2019 IMP Indian chicken. I'm gonna rate everything on this plate, everything that I got, a 9 out of 10. Reason I'm not giving a 10 out of 10 is because the lemon lime could have been a little more tardy. That was, I mean, it's good, it's refreshing, but I also like the bitterness about lemon and lime. It just, yeah. My boo boo there about with fruit cocktail. Boy, things happen, right? That's why we do it live, and that's why you know, we're human. We make mistakes, and sometimes they work out well. I would have never tried it warm. Now that I have, I think I won't make it hot like I did, but I would definitely warm them up from now on, because actually it tastes really good. I'm impressed. So, all right, so I'll get back here and so just to give an update here. So, fruit cocktail. I think I warmed it up too much, so that's why that's also half point. So that's why between that, the drink, and that becomes a 9 between the two. This is awesome. I can't wait to get off air and eat the rest. The chocolate shake, well, it's chocolate shake, peanut butter and jelly, coffee, not bad. I mean, it's a ration coffee, so you really can't go wrong. So, like I said, a 9 out of 10 for all the components. Thank you very much for watching. This is John from John's MRE. To the men and women in the military, thank you for your service. Be safe, come home good, come home, and we all miss you. Thank you to the MRE Nation for allowing me to be part of their group. Thank you for you guys for just being here, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and tell the next victim. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might do a Lithuanian. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but I'm going to do something different. So again, until then, thank you guys so much. Bye for now.